Kowenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Jadolo madin jokopere bade manyeri Antony Muheria ojiwo jotelo mondo miowe ich lach mara ok anyalo pogo kendo koro gitim twak mareso piny Kenya. Muheria okoni pek ma jo Kenya kale sani dwaro lalruok mang'iyo kaka inyalo kel konyruok ne oganda masani ting koro turo. Jadolo no bende onyiso jotelogo maketo piny owacho tesre ni ng'anyo owinjo bed mano machwalo dwaro mar jopiny mae yo makare ma ok temo keto hinga ne sirkal chopo dongruok ne oganda.
It's a chance today, and it's a chance even with all the difficulties that we have, to huddle together like little children when it's cold. We are all suffering, but let's huddle together and we get a little warmer and find a solution. But let's not now fight over the blanket. Let's not tear the blanket. Let's not tear the country apart. We are steeped on just pitting the leaders one against the other. Let's change the script. It's not about who is a leader. It's not about which political party. It's about us. It's about life. We have to get away from the script that seeks to bring a country to a halt, but to a script that brings the plight, those issues, the rights up for discussion. That's what demonstrations are meant to be, to tell the government and whoever needs to be told, these are the issues. They are not meant to make the government unable to deliver. The two underlying ills that make this very discussion very difficult amongst leaders and amongst those who come on the table to discuss those long-term solutions is greed. I want it all. And I want a lot of power. And I want it all. I don't want to share it. Because those before me had it all. I must have it all. So there is a kind of freezing on the institution that was there before. I would like to be like that. So I think we need to be humble enough to sit down and discuss about models that can improve our governance.
Bang higni bura nyakorom gajwang do koro